Change Netflix password. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to change your Netflix password. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe, hit like, I'm always making helpful videos for you guys. Alright folks, changing your password is pretty straightforward. After logging in, click the three lines up top, then select account. Scroll down and click change password. It'll ask for your current password. You need to know it to make changes. If you forgot it, click forgot password to reset it. After entering your current password, put your new one above. It needs 60 characters, then confirm it. You can check this box to sign out your account on all devices. Tick this option to log out of Netflix on all your devices. All devices connected with the old password will be disconnected. After that, just click the save button. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless.